Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the World of Tanks miniature game. First, you'll assemble your detailed tank models and set up the battlefield with various terrain pieces. Each player then chooses a platoon, usually consisting of 3 to 5 tanks, each with unique stats. To begin, roll a 6-sided die to determine initiative. The player with the highest roll takes the first turn. This initial setup is crucial for strategic play. Once initiative is set, players alternate activating their tanks. Each tank can move up to its maximum speed, typically measured in inches, across the battlefield. After moving, a tank can perform one action, such as firing its main gun or aiming for improved accuracy. Remember to use the provided templates for precise movement and to clearly establish line of sight to your targets. Combat is central to the game. When attacking, roll a number of 6-sided dice equal to your tank's firepower rating. Compare the number of hits to the target tank's defense value. Any excess hits inflict damage. If a tank sustains enough damage, it is destroyed and removed from play. Critical hits can also occur, often causing additional effects or immediate destruction. Winning the game depends on the chosen scenario. Many scenarios involve destroying all of your opponent's tanks, but others might require capturing specific objectives on the map or holding key strategic zones for a certain number of turns. The game usually concludes after a predetermined number of rounds or when one player successfully achieves their scenario objectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.